Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today actually this is going to be a trailer for a huge class. Okay, so one of my students have sent me this drawing. Okay, so he sent me this drawing. I think this is clear. Yeah, this is clearer. Okay, and he wants me to help him draw the HVAC part in AutoCAD. Okay, so in the coming classes what we will be doing is, okay, I'll teach you how to draw the complete HVAC drawing, okay, in HVAC in AutoCAD. Okay, here we have the whatever VRV and whatever. Okay, from the main duct, how it goes, branch, okay, reducer, and then the neck, okay, tap, I would say. Okay, and then there the Y. We learn everything how to draw. Okay, in the coming class we learn how to draw the complete HVAC drawing. Okay, so this would be a trailer for a movie. Coming classes you will be seeing us doing the whole drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, we start with the VAVs, etc., and then we see how we move forward. Okay, I think we'll be drawing it in another color or something just to make it visible, okay, for the eyes. Okay, I believe most of the things you cannot see. Yeah, so I will be drawing it in a color so which will be visible for everyone. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this small short class. I would say the trailer for a movie. Coming classes we would be seeing it in a much more detail, how to draw the HVAC drawing. Okay, so everyone take care, and let's see each other in the next class. Take care. Yalla, bye.